Hi, I am Dr. Sunil Shenvi and I am excited to introduce you to the revamped Surgery MS course crafted by leading faculty across India and built to truly empower surgical residents and NEET SS aspirants. The new structure goes beyond just video lectures. We now include question banks, case-based discussions and contents that mirror real-life clinical challenges. Whether you are first year resident trying to build your fundamentals or preparing for PG exit or NEET SS examination, this course is for you. It is designed using latest surgical textbooks. We will dive deep into the clinical concepts, not just MCQs. Our QBanks are modeled on the NEET SS pattern and every topic is taught by faculty who are actively practicing ensuring real world relevance. You also get tools like DxTx, flashcards on surgical instruments and even AI assistance with Dr. Wise to boost your confidence. Surgery MS is more than just a study tool, it is your clinical companion throughout surgical residency. We have broken down complex surgical principles into easy to understand concepts that stick. Join thousands of learners who are strengthening their surgical skills with Surgery MS.